Who controls watch prices and are they crashing? Have you noticed that some luxury watch prices have been going down from their peak, especially since early 2022? Now, not all watches have seen a drop. Some stayed steady, some even gained value, while others dipped a lot. So, what's happening? Back in January and February of 2022, luxury watches were like gold. Their prices just kept climbing. But suddenly, some brands lost up to 30% of their value. Big names like Patek Philippe, Rolex, and Cartier saw shifts in value, and a new value market gained popularity, with brands such as Christopher Ward and Tissot gaining value. But why did this happen? Well, let's break it down. The global economy impacts everything, even watches. Many believe a financial downturn might be coming, making people hesitate to buy expensive items. Rising living costs have made people think twice about splurging on luxury. The Ukraine conflict has increased global uncertainty. And don't forget the pandemic's effect, especially with lockdowns in big markets like Asia. So while watches are cool, their prices can be as unpredictable as the weather. Think of the watch market like the stock market. Remember how stocks crashed after COVID-19, but then rocketed up? It felt like they'd keep rising forever. However, by late 2021 and early 2022, things changed. The stock market dropped due to higher interest rates and inflation. Similarly, the watch prices we saw soaring in 2021 couldn't go on forever. So, the market had to adjust. Why does this happen, you may ask? Well, ultimately, the market sets reasonable prices. But rapid price jumps, like in 2021, are not reasonable. The lesson? What goes up fast might come down just as quickly. So are watches still a good investment? Well, we'd always advise to buy a watch because you like it and appreciate its design. However, watches can be a good investment. Luxury watches can lose value, just like any other asset, but over time their general trend is upward. If you look past the highs and lows, there's a steady growth, just like stocks. Interestingly, not all watches were impacted equally. Those with massive price hikes, like the Audemars Piguet Royal Oaks and Rolex Daytona, saw significant drops. But the timeless classics? Their values held steady. Take the Tudor Black Bay 58, for instance. Its price remained stable even after the crash. So, is the luxury watch market doomed? Far from it. There's still a strong demand. Some models faced a price drop of 15–40%, but many are back to, if not exceeding, previous levels. I mean, try and buy a Rolex. You'll have more luck finding gold at the end of a rainbow. Long term, expect steady growth for most watch prices across brands. In short, this was a hiccup, not a downfall. Don't forget, hit like and subscribe for more sub-5-minute watch reviews.